Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know it. Let's talk about yesterday. If you had a chance to listen to yesterday's whisper, we were still bullish on ExxonMobil. In fact, it's coming very close to my first target of 83.75. If we could break above 83.75, 85 is the next target for this one. Also, GE. Wow, what an amazing run this is having from those massive prints. Remember, we spotted those dark pool buy prints at 29.90 and 29.98. My trading room is rocking GE. Love it. It's nice and slow and steady. 30.50 is my first target. If it can break above 30.50, 31, but it should have a little bit of resistance there. Also, UPS, yesterday we spoke about this, had a nice move up from 108.60, right? That was where we spotted that big print on there, but could not hold above 109. So watch these levels today. Of course, 108.60 is the key level on UPS. My big winner yesterday, Alcoa. I day traded this thing 5 times in my trading room. Every rally it came up here, I was shorting this, and absolutely love this on the short side as long as it can stay below 38.18. That was the key level on the swing trade. However, I'm sitting here all day long. I might as well day trade it, but this was my big winner yesterday. And Nokia still looking fantastic. And again, I said it's slow, but she's moving, and we hit about 507 today. So my room was hot yesterday. Susan, hot again yesterday. But the trader of the day goes to a newbie trader in the room. His name is Eric B. And Eric, do you remember that whisper I did on ABEV all the way back here? Yeah, remember those massive prints we spotted down here? Well, guess what? Eric is still holding ABEV. What a big score on that. Congratulations, Eric. And also, I got to make a shout out to Jake, aka the swinger in the room. He is also still holding ABEV. Great hold, guys. I got out somewhere over here. But you guys are rocking it. All right, so what are we trading today? What are we watching today? Well, I got my eye on a few things. First, let's mention Vail. Vail, we spotted a 1,000,000 share print yesterday at 11.11. And a lot of times with a big print, it's like throwing a big rock into the ocean, and it may shake up and down a little bit. But if Vail can stay above 11.20 today, I absolutely love it on the long side. But if she breaks below 11, all right, then I'm going to turn bearish on Vail. So definitely watch those levels. Also watching Apple. A lot of my traders in the room were rocking Apple yesterday. Now we have a high volume doji yesterday. So here's how it works on the close today. If we close above 136.27, going to be bullish. If we close below the low of this doji, 134.62, going to be bearish. And of course, we're going to watch and see the prints that come in. Now yesterday, coincidentally, we did have a big print right where it's trading, 135.39. So you can also watch that level. But I love these high volume doji swing plays. Those are amazing. Also, Wells Fargo. Yeah, we had quite a bit of prints on Wells Fargo. 58.60 was a very big print area. 79, 77, and 97 all the way here. So we have a big block of volume above us. Only if we break above 59 am I going to be bullish on Wells Fargo. But right now, we are below those prints. So going to be bearish below 58.60 on Wells Fargo. And also watching Hewlett Packard. Now, earnings are coming out on the 22nd, so I would not stay in this during earnings. But look at this high volume upthrust, right? We had some pretty big prints at 16.06. So as long as it stays below that, going to be bearish on Hewlett Packard. And last but not least, we are watching gold. Gold is starting to heat up again. And GDX, if GDX can close above 25, all right, that is a key level. Going to be bullish once again on gold. Come watch me trade these stocks and so many more at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisper.com. It's only $9.95 for a 30-day trial membership. What are you guys waiting for? Happy trading, everybody.